Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Trillionaire Mac. Welcome back to another video. So I know it's been quite some time in between the last video. All right, I've been super busy on this end. Thank you guys for sticking with me. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. There will be a point in time where I will be back to the usual uploading schedule, uploading daily, multiple times per day. But until then, thank you guys for sticking and hanging in there with me as it relates to the new upload schedule. All right. So the last video, because I haven't been uploading a lot, the last video I did give you guys a freebie, so to speak, all right? And that freebie was DXY, okay? So if you go check out the last video, it may pop up somewhere on the screen, or it may be in your recommended area, all right? But if you haven't watched that video, feel free to pause this video first, go back and check that video out, and then come back. All right. Now, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a like on the video if you find value. Now, really, everyone should leave a like on the video simply because in the previous video, okay, we actually called out this trade. I gave you guys my full analysis on the DXY, what I was anticipating, things like that. So this should have provided a value to a lot of you all. This could have been 98% of an FTMO account challenge passed. Okay, until I start uploading back on a regular basis, what I think I'm going to do is release one trade analysis for you guys once a week that you guys can take advantage of, or maybe one every 2 weeks that you guys can take advantage of. All right, so with that being said, relax, sit back, and enjoy the video. All right, so for those of you who remember the last video that was created on the DXY, right, we were right here within this area, and I told you guys to look for your entry schematic for price to push to the upside. Right, now if we go to the M15, okay, I also showed you all our entry, all right, which was here, okay. This was also sent out to my Telegram clients, all right, so for those of you who are within the Telegram channel, this should have been an easy trade for you all to take advantage of. All right, let's go back to the M15. Okay, so my entry was here, risking around 6.8 pips and looking to target up here around 67.2 pips. Okay, this gave us around 9.88% return in about, let's see how long this trade took actually. All right, in about 21 hours. So it was a bit of, it was very, very close to being a full day of us holding this trade here. All right, sometimes it happens, all right? And it was around 67% for my lower time frame entry, which this was my first time actually risking 1 pip per trade. If you want to see this entry, feel free to go check out the other video. And I break down my 1 minute entry and show you guys, we passed it, let's go back, all right, and show you guys exactly why I entered and things like that. Now it looks like, let's go back to the M5 and let's turn this on to the lower time frame because for some reason I'm not seeing it. Oh, that's right, I did a session and I completely removed all of this from the 1 minute time frame. So let's put everything back and we'll put this back to the 1 minute. And we have one more thing to put back on the 1 minute. Here we go. Okay, now once we go to the 1 minute time frame, we should see the same markup that I showed you guys in the previous video. Really, overall, I'm just glad that this was a successful trade for you all to take advantage of, right? Now, if you took advantage of everything exactly how I did, okay, this was a 9.88% trade based on the higher time frame. Okay, that is 98% of a funded account challenge passed. Okay, this week within the Telegram channel, we did around 7.88%. Okay, so that's 78% of an FTMO challenge passed within 1 week. But the thing about it is the fact that, those individuals who joined the Telegram channel, second link in the description, to gain access to my trades, you guys should be able to pass an FTMO challenge within a month of being within the Telegram channel. Once, I would say after you get used to how I take my trades, right? It does take a little bit of getting used to and how I take my trades and things like that. But once you understand how I take my trades and you understand what to do or what to look for once price enters my valid zone and how to actually take advantage of my valid entry within that zone, okay, just sit back, relax for that first week, see how things play out, see how I send my updates, see how I show my entries, things like that. And then the week following, then feel free to go ahead and take advantage of the setups and things like that. All right. So here was my lower time frame. I'm not going to go into too much detail because we talked about it on the previous video. Okay, just risking 1 pip on this trade, and my take profit was simply just based on my higher time frame H4. Okay. So if we're risking 1 pip on this trade, let's go back to the M15 as well. So if we're risking 1 pip on this trade, which was here, Okay, let's turn this on to the H4 time frame, just so you guys can see how powerful my entry method is on the lower time frame. This right here. Okay, so we entered on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, we risked 1 pip on this trade, and we closed 67% for around 67 pips. Right, not bad at all. Now this is my first time actually risking 1 pip per trade. All right, as most of you guys who have been following my journey, most of you guys understand. That normally I risk around 2 pips, things like that. But this was a fantastic entry opportunity using a lower time frame entry method that's discussed within the institutional trading course, which is going to be the first link in the description. All right. To those of you who have joined the Major Trading mentorship program, I'm excited for you all's growth. I'm excited for you all to become funded traders. That's really my biggest push as it relates to students. All right. If you don't have enough capital to trade on your own, my biggest push is for you to become a funded student so you can use the concepts to earn money. Okay, you don't have to start out with $100 within your account. You don't have to start out with $50 within your account. Once you understand the concepts and you're able to continuously grow any number of money just based on percentages, then I want you guys to move forward with a funded account. Now, those of you all who have the institutional trading course, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a funding account challenge lesson within there. All right, it'll be a chapter. It'll have a couple of videos in there, some tips, tricks, advice, and overall how to use the concepts that's discussed within the institutional trading course in order to pass those funding type of challenges and things like that. All right, so I hope you guys were able to take advantage of this trade and catch this DXY push to the upside right along with me. As well as if you guys do go back and look at that video, price was right here. Okay, and I had told you all that we were already in the market. So this just reiterates that no, I am not cherry picking these trades. This is live. This is actually, how my students and I trade day in and day out. Okay, lower time frame or higher time frame entry gave us almost 10%. Lower time entry gave us around 67%, which is absolutely bananas, absolutely wild. All right, so with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next video. If you all do have any questions, as always, continue to slide into my DMs, continue to hit me up on Telegram. I've been getting a lot of YouTube support on Telegram itself, okay, with you guys hitting me up, telling me you guys love the YouTube content, and I have been giving away free one-on-one sessions to those individuals who do hit me up. So not only do you guys have a small incentive to contact me, okay, and ask me, it could be anything. It could be at a setup that you're looking at. It could be for extra confirmation. It could be, why do you risk 1% per trade? It could be anything. I try to get back to all of my students and my supporters and my clients. All right. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Much love. Peace out.